Welcome to the guide on using email marketing to drive sales. In this video, we'll explore strategies and tips to help you harness the power of email to boost your sales. Firstly, it's essential to understand your audience. Who are they? What are their interests and preferences? Segment your email list based on these factors to tailor your messages effectively. Craft attention-grabbing subject lines. Your subject line is the gateway to your email. Make it compelling, concise, and relevant to increase open rates. Personalize your emails. Address your subscribers by name and customize content based on their past interactions and purchase history. Personalization enhances engagement and builds customer loyalty. Create valuable content. Offer exclusive discounts, promotions, and relevant information that resonate with your audience. Make your emails informative, entertaining, and visually appealing. Optimize for mobile. With the majority of emails now opened on mobile devices, ensure your emails are mobile-friendly. Use responsive designs and concise formatting for better readability. Include clear call to action, CTA buttons. Guide your subscribers towards the desired action, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a webinar, or downloading a resource. Test and analyze. Experiment with different email formats, timing, and content to determine what works best for your audience. Analyze metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to refine your strategies. Finally, maintain consistency. Regularly communicate with your subscribers to keep your brand top of mind. Consistent engagement builds trust and encourages repeat purchases. Email marketing can be a powerful tool for driving sales when executed effectively. By understanding your audience, personalizing content, and optimizing your strategies, you can leverage the full potential of email to grow your business.